review how to subtract mixed numbers. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is subtract the whole numbers. We're going to do an example. Let's take 5 3/4 minus 2 1/6. So we're first going to subtract the whole numbers, and that equals 3. So same step as when we were adding, except this time we're subtracting. And next we're going to subtract the fractions. So we're going to line those up, 3/4 minus 1/6. They do not have the same denominator, so we need to set them up for equivalent fractions. And we look at the larger of the two, which is 6, write it over here to the side. Is 6 a multiple of 4? No, so we're going to write the next multiple of 6, which is 12. Is 12 a multiple of 4? Yes, so that is going to be our least common denominator. And 4 times 3 equals 12, so put 3 up here. 3 times 3 equals 9. 6 times 2 equals 12, and 1 times 2 equals 2. Now we can subtract our fractions. 9 minus 2 is 7/12. We're going to join this with our whole number over here, and our final answer will be 3 7/12. We do need to check to see if it can be simplified, and in this case it cannot be simplified. Okay, our next example is 6 1/2 minus 4 5/8. So we're going to minus our whole numbers. 6 minus 4 equals 2. And rewrite our fractions to subtract those. And they do not have the same denominator, so we're going to set them up for equivalent fractions. And we're going to start over here with 8. I'll put it over here. 8. Is 8 a multiple of 2? Yes, it is. So 8 is our new denominator. And this is 2 times 4 equals 8. So put 4 here. 1 times 4 is 4. This is going to be 1 and 1. Okay, now we've got 4, take away 5. We haven't got enough there to take this away and stay in the positive. So we're going to come over here to our whole number and borrow 1 from there and make this a 1. But the 1, when we add it over here, we have to add that as a fraction. We choose 8/8 so that they have the same denominator and we can add them. Because remember, 8/8 equals 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. And we get 4 plus 8 is 12/8. Now we're finished with this. We don't need to worry about that. I would cross it off so you don't accidentally use it. Now we've got 12/8 minus 5/8 is 7/8. And we're going to join that with our 1. And the final answer is 1 7/8. And that's how you subtract fractions, mixed numbers.